Hello everyone, my name is Sujal Devi from TYCO branch of Arsu Polytechnic. Today we are going to perform practical number 5 of mobile application development, which is to develop a program to implement linear layout and absolute layout. So let's move on to our PC. So before starting with our main programming, we should discuss what is linear layout and what is absolute layout. So, linear layout is a type of view group that arranges its child views either horizontally or vertically in a single direction. It's one of the fundamental layout containers used for designing user interface in Android application, in which we have some key points like orientation. By using it, we can set orientation of the components that should be arrayed, like horizontal or vertical. Next, absolute layout is a container that allows developer to specify the exact position in x and y coordinates of its child views within the container. So every component which is present on screen, we can place it by using actual pixel coordinates and set it. So now let's move on to our program. This is main activity Java file. As we have to just demonstrate linear layout and absolute layout, so there is no need to make any changes to the main activity Java file. So let's move on to our XML file where we are going to design those components by using linear layout and absolute layout. So as you can see our XML file, in which right side of our screen is the design and the left side of our screen is the XML code. So you can see this code which we have written is for the linear layout. So we have changed our layout to linear layout, and below that you can see we have set the orientation as vertical. So further, where we add the components in this layout, that components will be arranged in the manner of vertical. So we have taken the some text views in this, which will be used to show the information of student. So first text view will show us the name of student, second text view will show us the age, third text view will show us the gender, and fourth text view should show us the major of student. As you can see, we have added this four text view, and at the right side you can see that all these four text views are aligned below each other, just because we have used the linear layout and we have set the orientation as vertical. So this four text view, when first text view is displayed, the second text view automatically goes below it, and if we use our orientation as horizontal, then all the components will be in a horizontal manner. The reason behind using the linear layout is that it provides us nesting of the linear layout, means we can use one linear layout in another linear layout, and it is one of the most easy to design straightforward user interface. So now let's move on to our absolute layout code. As you can see our absolute layout XML file, in which we have designed an login form using absolute layout. So in this code we have taken two text view, two edit text, and one login button. First text view to display username, second text view to display password, and one edit text to take username as input, second edit text to accept password, and one login button to submit this information. So you can see in first text view where we are going to display username. To set that text view, we have used layout X and layout Y coordinate to decide where this view should be displayed. So you can see username text view will be displayed at X axis at 50 dp and y-axis at 50 dp. And next is enter your username edit text. So we require that edit text on the line of username only. So we will not change our y-axis, but we will increment our x-axis. Further, to display the text view of password on next line, we are going to increment y-axis. After that, we are going to use an edit text for enter your password. For that, we are going to use y-axis as same as the y-axis of password text view, but we are going to increment the x-axis so it will go further beyond the text view field. And at final we have added the login button, for which we have set the layout x-axis and layout y-axis as 150 dp and 150 dp, which will make it display at the bottom of edit text password field. So we have seen absolute layout code, and also you can see at the right side what will be the output of our code. But there is drawback of using the absolute layout, that it sets all its component in form of pixels. So the drawback is that whenever you change the device, you, you will face some graphical mismeasurement which will make your component